What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today is the 30th feeding, so I'm actually going to add another inoculating tray down to the bottom, and that's what I'm going to do first so I can check out this lower tray to see if any worms need to be brought up. Yep, there's a couple. There was nobody hanging out off the bottom of the tray, which is good. There's 1, 2, 3. So as I said before, there's these little tabs that have to go inside this bottom tray. This will be the new inoculating tray. This is just dry cardboard that I have shredded up. This here was my first inoculating tray. I can see some worms right here, right here. So actually this was stuck on the bottom side of the feeding tray. So there's worms in there doing their thing. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of quick look through this. Okay. Oh, looks like I had a cranberry down here, or something fell through maybe. Okay, so now for the top feeding tray. This paper just helps to kind of hold on to some of that moisture for the worms. See, there was a potato skin. Should have been a pretty quick feeding from the last one. I think I had blended food and maybe like watermelon. So I guess we'll hop right in. There's a piece of the watermelon skin. So I can't remember what this is, but I'll see if I can look back, and then I'll insert right here what it is. So I won't go ahead and add any bedding at this time, because this tray will then be going to the middle tray, and that middle tray will then be coming up to the top feeding tray. So I purchased another watermelon, so they're getting some watermelon rind, and then I still have the bag of the pulp from the juicing that my brother does. So they'll get all that. And go ahead and add the ground eggshell for the grit. And then there's some fresher cardboard there that I'll kind of add towards the feeding area. So hopefully keep the worms. Oh. Once I see a cranberry that's kind of older, I make sure I just squeeze it, kind of jam it in that area too. Finally, I like to add some worm chow for the worms. This will allow them to start eating this first, and then as the food scraps continue to thaw and get the microbes and start breaking it down, then the worms can attack the feeding zone. Hope this was that was the piece that I had on the very bottom of the tray. So I'm not going to worry about that, but I just seen that there was worms in it, so I wanted to get them back into the bin. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. This is the Vermihut Plus system. It actually has 5 bins. Right now I'm using 3 of them. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.